Hey guys, so welcome to Art Inspirations. Today we're doing another coffee drawing. I honestly love painting with coffee. I know I just said drawing, but painting with coffee so freaking much. It is so fun to paint with. I love the sepia tone. It gives such a great, just a great color. But I'm not going to be talking a whole bunch today on this, but I hope you guys enjoy. I will let you guys know that you should stay tuned till the end of the video. I have some fun little announcement for the whole channel, and I hope you guys just keep staying inspired, keep staying awesome. A few things about this video. There are 3 different kinds of coffee at the top of the screen. I diluted one with a lot of water, one with semi-diluted water, and then the last one I literally put probably 6 different instant coffee packs into it. Needless to say, my room smelled like coffee for about 5 weeks after that, but it was alright. I'm not a huge fan of the smell of coffee, but when you can make art with it, I think I can let it slide that I don't love the smell of it. I think one of my best, I don't know if it's a tip, but just one thing about it is it's pretty much exactly like watercolor, and so if you want it to be darker, use more coffee, less water, exactly like watercolor. But yeah, the other thing about this specifically was I was actually doing, this is a character of mine named Amelia Rose Decanter, and so she actually is from a book that I've written called The Wolf and the Crimson Maiden, and so that was kind of the idea behind this. It's a little teenage fantasy romance. If you want to check it out, I'll have a link below to the Amazon where you can purchase it, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this. Keep staying inspired, guys. You're awesome. I'd love to see any coffee creations you might have. Just hashtag them. I'm a star of Briar Art on all social media. I do a lot of Instagram. It would be awesome if you follow me there, and be sure to like this video, let your friends know about it. Just keep staying awesome, guys. I'll catch you at the end of the video, but I hope you enjoy the rest of it. Just figured I'd hop back in here for 1 second. I realized I didn't say I do also use one of my favorite, the Chinese or Japanese brush pen that I get from Hobby Lobby. I use it quite often in videos. I have no idea what it's called, guys. I'm so sorry. If I ever figure that out, I will for sure link it or let everyone know what it is, but it's one of my favorite pen brushes. I think it costs like $3.99. If you ever do any kind of lining, it is literally the answer to your prayers. So just know that if you ever want to find it, look for this pen. I have no idea what it's called, but best of luck. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope there was something in this that you learned, and I hope you enjoyed seeing me kind of play around with this really fun medium. Keep staying inspired, keep being amazing. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and like and share this video. The bell icon, if you do that, that would be great. It helps me keep the channel going, and comment below what you'd like to see me do next. If you want me to do reviews, if you have a certain product you'd like me to test out, let me know. I would love to do that, as well as I am going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 50 subscribers, guys. So this is another reason to tell your friends. When we hit 50 subscribers, I will be giving away a little art something, and I will send it to one of my subscribers. So be sure to do that, let your friends know, let everyone else know, and you'll be finding out very soon what the giveaway prize is. So stay awesome, and until the next art inspiration, keep doing what you love and stay passionate about the incredible things you do. Okay, see you guys.